light red carnations on the tablecloth, and a handwritten letter, oh, that's fading art.
So these are the photos I have to work with for week 7 of Project Life, which is February 12th through February 18th. And I have a full page photo here of some tulips that my brother and sister-in-law gave to me for my birthday. They're beautiful. They were beautiful. They're faded now. But I'm going to take the bulbs and hopefully I'll plant them in my garden. And then I just have a few more photos here. And then I have the February Stories by the Month kit from Allie Edwards. And I have a few other kits around me right now that I'm trying to crush and get through them, use them up a little bit. And then I also have just a few photos from week 8, which is February 19th through the 25th. Not a whole lot happened here that week. I'll probably also go through my journal to see if, I could journal about anything that I might not have a photo of. I have a screenshot of something off of Instagram. My husband got a CPAP machine because he has sleep apnea. And yeah, just some fun things. I'm going to have a little fun working with these. I'm really anxious to get this started because week 9 just ended yesterday, but I'll be almost caught up. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. So let's get to it.
Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me.
So I also have this page protector from last week that doesn't have anything on the back side. So I'm kind of thinking that maybe I could reprint one of these photos at a 4x6 and include it on the back of this, and then I could always include another journal card if I want to. But I have, all of these 2 4x6s and 2 4x4s times 2, because you flip it, and the ones for week 8 were going to be a whole separate insert by themselves. So, and these are 3x4s, and this won't hold 3x4s in the way that I want them to, unless I put a backing paper on them. So I'm just trying to figure out how I can include the back of this.
That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend to the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend. Best friend, yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend roses at the side of a busy road. How I'm crawling for a worthy goal. At least I'm not alone in my empathy. There's more like me who don't know how to be, how to reach out to the open arms, how to reach out to the open arms. Blue skies turning red, and I don't know if it's more bitter, beautiful. Yeah, blue skies turning red, and I don't know, should I be scared or grateful? How can I see the beautiful? Broken from the start, I am nothing more than roses at the side of a busy road. How I'm crawling for a worthy goal. I can see I'm not alone in my empathy. There are ghosts all around and they're telling me I should reach out to the open arms. How to reach out to the open arms. Open arms. Blue skies turning red, and I don't know if it's more bitter, beautiful. Yeah, blue skies turning red, and I don't know, should I be scared or grateful? 'Cause I don't know if it's more bitter, beautiful, beautiful. Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend. Doesn't feel like it was long ago. We were head over heels in love, thought it'd last forever, but somehow we got lost. Looking back, I didn't realize what was wrong with me. I can't deny I took you for granted. You finally had enough. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get.
So here are weeks 7 and 8. This one is on the back of week 6, and it's just my birthday cake and a journal card that I left blank for now. I'm going to fill that out hopefully this coming week. I just like to give this type of journaling a little bit more thought before I start writing. I'm going to either journal about my past year or what I hope for coming up in my new year, if that makes sense. And it just says the best time for new beginnings is now. And then I have this page protector that's filled with a bunch of little moments from our week. Ooh, they're falling out. This is just a picture that I took when I was walking my dog Holly. I injured my knee last year, and this was the first walk that we got to go on together in a really long time. And unfortunately, because our roads are so uneven, I injured it again on this walk, and that'll probably be the last walk we go on for a while. And this is that Here and Now vellum piece from the February Stories by the Month kit. This is a picture of one of my bunnies, Monroe. And we got new budgie birds. And they're so cute. Oh my goodness. I love them. I think they're both girls. And they're pretty much bonded to each other now. Now I need to get them to bond to me. And yeah, we went to go see a movie, so I got the stubs in there, which movie stubs are not the same anymore, which is kind of a bummer. They're just like pieces of receipt and they fade, and that's just not cool. And a picture of a meal that we went out to have. And then this is week 8. Again, I didn't take that many pictures. I think there's just 3 photos and the rest is, I got this off of Instagram. It's just a little bear. Looks like he's hugging himself and it says love yourself. And yeah, that's it. Oh, I was gonna put like a word strip across this heart right here. Forgot to do that, but I'll probably add that in. That's all, you guys. I got week 7 and 8 done. Yay! So now I'm pretty much caught up except for last week, which just ended yesterday. So I'm not behind really anymore. And I'm just really excited about that. Anyway, if you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below and I'll get back to you the best I can. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.